2015 we did.
February.
When you do Google and then you connect it to YouTube and then you monetize your video, they said I reached the amount.
Shout out for.
Thanks, son.
I don't have a script.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Hi guys, good morning. Well, it's almost 12 o'clock, so good afternoon guys. And yeah, I just been nasa laptop lang ako palagi, editing, uploading. I think I upload video like 4 times. 1 time last night and then 3 times this morning because the internet is acting up. It's snowing also outside right now. Oh, kita nyo? So yeah, nag-i-snow na naman. And I don't know if it's snowing in my house. Let me see. I can't tell over there if it's snowing. I'm going to look up the camera outside. I hope not. I hope it's just in here. And I don't know what's the weather up there. There's still snow out there. I think this is from last week. Snow that doesn't melt. Hi guys, I got the mail today, and you know what I got? I just get out and get the mail, and I received something from Google. So this is what I received from them. So yeah, I received something from Google. I will open it now and then I will show you. I will explain what it is later on because this is my first time receiving this different thing. Anyway, I'm editing the video. I'm going to have my lunch, and you know what I'm gonna have? Rice and shrimp paste. This is the first time we've lit this fire on this year. Well, last year we didn't do it. Yes, no, we didn't. Han, the winter. God bless you. This is the winter. The winter from this year is the, you know, and then last year winter we didn't.
Of course we did.
No, because we're always in the house, remember?
In which house?
Over there. We're filing it. Last year, 2016, Han. Yes. 2015 we did.
February last year were also 2015. 16, huh?
Okay. Where's Dada? You wanna go out? It's still snowing. Oh my goodness. It's still snowing. Okay, go. Oh, they love it. They love snow. So me, I'm gonna go downstairs and get some chicken.
Yeah, the TV in the little room is hardly vintage. Okay. Yeah, that was 100 years ago.
Huh?
Right. Okay.
He's not even scared. He's not even scared, guys. I'm just looking for chicken. I'm gonna make some chicken and he do laundry. And he's in the pantry. I can't find any chicken. So I'm gonna cut some stuff because I'm gonna make macaroni salad. Hi guys, I am making some chicken. And then I'm going to film how I make my chicken. This is really tastes good, guys. You should try how I make this because it's the best. The best, the best, the best. I'm gonna make it. I'm going to film it. Look who's still there, guys. He's been in that laptop since yesterday. Actually, since Sunday night. And he ignored me. That's what it does. Now I feel like going to my house, guys. Bye, Han. Bye. After I cook, I'm going to drive home. I cut egg again for macaroni salad. And this and this. It's not, oh, it's still snowing a little bit, huh? It's onion, granulated onion. Granulated garlic. And then salt. Say hi.
Hi.
Guys, I did forget this video. It's last week ago. Yeah, I think this week or last week, but I'm just going to insert this clip, guys, because I said I'm editing the video now, and then I said that I'm gonna update you what I received from Google. The one that I received from Google, guys, it's not check. That's why I say the second time I received from Google, because the first one, when I did a Google account, they sent me an approval or something, a code or something. Okay, because when you do Google and then you connect it to YouTube and then you monetize your video, you receive something from them. I forgot, but you receive something from them that there is a PIN number, and then I was confused because they said I reached the amount of this kind of they said that I receive, I earned that much, what they said, and I don't think so. And that's why I forgot to update you guys, because that day after I opened it, I said something to Tommy that, why I received something that's a tax paper, why I received something from Google, a tax thing, while I don't earn the thing that they said that I earn. I don't think I earned something from them like what they said, that amount they said. So I went to my bank account because I did it direct deposit. I just want to share with you guys what it is. And then when I went to my bank account, I don't know, it doesn't match what they said. It doesn't match the amount of what they said. to my bank account. I'm not sure, guys, but Tammy said just file it anyway, because they send it to you. You don't want to have any problem, right? Because whatever they said, just file it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to file the tax, and then what I'm going to do is look for every receipt that I used for this, you know, the camera, the receipt of the camera, the receipt of SD card, the receipt of my external drive, that the only product that you purchase to do the video, like that's it. The laptop, you know, Tommy gave that to me, but he gave it to me because I started doing video, but only one time. I know it's been 2 years ago, but I'm gonna try, because I'm gonna try to get that receipt also. You know, I'm gonna try to look the receipt also for the laptop, the Final Cut Pro that Tommy gave me. But for example, if you buy some makeup product and then to do review for review, then you can file it. You can file it, you know, for the filing next year. That's how you can do it. For example, if you have space for your house, like space for YouTube space, like you have an office, you don't call it an office, like a filming room. If you have a filming room, and then that means you're self-employed, little bit of the electric bills, you file it also. For example, I use my phone to do replies, you know, like that. It's still, I'm still doing part of my YouTube in my phone. So a little bit of the bill monthly of my phone, I will file it. And that's what I'm gonna do. They will send me a tax, so I'm gonna do that. But you can just file every little bit what you did. You can't lie to the government, because the government will run after you. But the thing is, you know, when I file this, all this what I said, when I'm going to file this, we have an accountant anyway. He can tell us what to do also anyway. So Tammy have an accountant, you know, forever. So Tammy and I, we file joint. Okay, that's what the Google mail that I received, guys, the other day, and I forgot to explain everything because I went crazy looking for what I received last year from Google, but it doesn't match. But you know what, it doesn't matter, I'm gonna file it anyway. But I forgot to say bye to this video, so I'm gonna say bye, and thank you all guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. Thank you guys, I see you next time. Bye.
A shout out for Thomas Morgan and Hernandez Ray.
May.
Hernandez May, I'm sorry.
He's so cute.
I don't have a script.
Thanks, son.
No problems. That is the key right there. When I know I did something wrong, but I don't think I ever do anything wrong.
And I miss tickle with him. Tickle.